Sagar is writing in and asking about this. He's been holding shorts on Tata Motors from the last 1 year from 1,000 levels. He's asking what the future outlook is considering competition, demand, supply, overall financials, all of that. Does it make sense to continue holding shorts or add more or book out the profits at this point? So Kush, on the F&O strategy, on the future strategy, rather, this is for you. What would you do at this point? I'm pretty sure that he's sitting on a substantial profit. Should he book that out?
So Alex, we've often heard of positional investors who go long for about a year's time or longer. Rarely do you come about a query where someone's positionally short for a year or so, or at least from about 1,000 odd levels. So kudos to him on that. I think right now, even now, actually the stock's not out of the woods. So he could well continue, maintaining his short position rather than perhaps poking out. My suggestion here is keep a stop loss at the 660 mark or a trading stop loss in his case, 660 mark. No fresh additions recommended because 600 is a very strong support zone and the stock has rebounded multiple times from that level. But the next time the stock comes close to that level, perhaps you're better off, booking these short, trades, taking the money home and then, look for some other trades on the short side. But yes, for now, continue to hold. 660 is your trading stop loss.
Okay, that's with regards to where Tata Motors stand. We've got our next caller. Ankit is calling us from Mumbai. Ankit, hi, a very good morning to you. I believe you have a question on Zen Tech.
Yeah. Hey, good morning. I do have a Zen Technology 300 shares at 1,328 rupees.
Okay.
So I just want a long-term view of that. I want to hold it for next 10 years.
Next?
10 years.
10 years. Wow, that's pretty long, Ankit. And I got your question and take this up with Prashant quickly. Prashant, the kind of volatility this stock has seen in the last few odd days, is something that investors probably are not liking, because there were 3 or 4 days straight where it did hit lower circuit and then 2 days straight where it hit upper circuit. So your view with regards to where Zentech stands from a longer term perspective, 10 years is what he's saying, but do you think this is a right counter to have in your portfolio?
I think difficult to comment for a stock for a 10 years perspective. But yes, again, short term, there will be more pain seen in the stock again. I think the way how defense as a sector has been volatile from last 1 or 2 months, stock like Zentech, which has good exposure towards the defense as a segment, near term, you will see a consolidation or a negative turn to the stock. So I would like to advise him to hold it for long term, but don't worry about the short term issues. Yes, with respect to the 1 or 2 years, yes, I think I can assume a 20% plus can be a ROI he can expect for next 2 years.